everybody have this? It's like the board screen ready to go. And then leaving that, you're gonna thank me for the rest of your life. If you didn't know, leave that onion core in there. Using the tip of your knife, right? And you're gonna go in, and slide it out. I'm sliding it out because we're gonna make sure we cut all the way through, right? I'm not going all the way to the edge there. See where I'm kind of stopping like right there and leaving that little bit there? Right? That's what holds, see how it holds together? Right? I'm gonna take it all the way across, just like this. Don't cut yet. Right? I'm just showing you this angle here, at a little bit of an angle. All right. So now we've got the onion feathered up nicely like that, okay? You can now just start cutting, right? But what we like to do as professional chefs and cooks is we'll actually give it one more cut. So I'm gonna take my hand, I'm gonna take my knife, I'm just gonna go in, right? I'm gonna go in and slide my knife through, okay? It looked scary than it was. Take your knife and slide it through. You can do it two ways. You can do it, I prefer to do it after it's cut because it makes life easier for me. And you take this, and now we're gonna make a large dice out of an onion. Ready? Watch. Look at that. Easy, right? I'm gonna do the opposite now to make smaller cuts, right? Take this. Go one more. Okay, did 3. You guys see that? I'm watching it the whole time. The knife never got any closer than that. And I went very slow, right? And take your knife and I'm putting the cuts closer together. See, I'm putting them closer together, right? That's gonna make it smaller. Again, this knife's never going past here on my hand. Something we talked about when we first started. It's never going past there, right? All the way down. Now, look how beautiful that is.